Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Today we are going to do something different with mushrooms. Everyone knows how to make omelette. But today let's make a very different variety of omelette, that is mushroom omelette. So let's see the ingredients needed. I have cleaned and washed the mushrooms. For 6 eggs we need around 10 mushrooms. 1 onion thinly sliced, 2 teaspoons of coriander leaves, salt 1 teaspoon, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder. Take a bowl to mix eggs and all the other ingredients except mushrooms. Beat the eggs very well and add onions, coriander leaves, salt, chili powder, coriander powder and mix them very well. Slice the mushrooms into thin slices as shown. Put a pan on the stove on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Place all the mushrooms in the pan as shown. Here I am placing half of the mushrooms in the pan as I am going to make 2 omelettes. I am pouring half of the egg mixture all over the mushrooms. Pour the egg mixture on the mushrooms as shown and cover it with the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes on medium to low flame, the omelette turns out like this. Turn to the other side and let it cook for another 30 seconds. Our mushroom omelette is ready to be served. The mushroom omelette tastes really super good. Please try the recipe and let me know how it is in the comments section. If you like the video, please like, share with your friends. Don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.